No, I completely stopped draining my noodles in the sink. Because this mug does it for me. And honestly, it's a game changer. Let's talk about the unsung hero of late-night snacks and quick lunches, the instant noodle. For decades, we've been caught in this cycle of boiling water, carefully pouring it out, losing half our noodles down the drain, and then dirtying another bowl. But what if I told you that entire process has been re-engineered into something brilliant? The instant noodle culture is huge, and it's driving some incredibly smart kitchenware designs. Case in point, the soup and noodle mug with a built-in strainer. It sounds simple, but the genius is in the details. Imagine this. You cook your noodles right in the mug, either with a kettle or in the microwave. When they're ready, you just pop on the special lid, tip it over, and the hot water drains out perfectly, leaving every single noodle behind. No colander, no balancing act over the sink, no extra dishes to wash. It's just you and your perfectly drained noodles, ready for seasoning. This is a level of convenience we all deserve. Think about the traditional way. You boil water, cook the noodles, then grab a clunky colander from the cupboard. You pour everything in, inevitably splashing hot water on the counter. Then you transfer the noodles to a bowl, and now you have a pot, a colander, and a bowl to clean up. It's a whole production for a 5-minute meal. These mugs eliminate all of that. They are designed to be your all-in-one cooking, straining, and eating vessel. Most are made from high-quality, microwave-safe, ceramic, or BPA-free plastic, so they're durable and safe to use. Plus, they often come with a handle, making them easy to carry from the kitchen to your desk or couch without burning your hands. But it's not just about function, it's about form, too. These mugs have become an aesthetic statement. They come in all sorts of cute colors, minimalist designs, and even with fun characters on them. Suddenly, your humble instant ramen isn't just a quick meal, it's a photo op. It's a moment of curated comfort. This is precisely why these mugs are blowing up on social media. Scroll through any What I Eat in a Day video, and you're bound to see one. They make a simple meal look intentional and, dare I say, chic. Creators love them because they add a pop of personality to their content, while showcasing a genuinely useful product. It's that perfect blend of practicality and visual appeal that makes people stop scrolling and ask, where did you get that? 2. The appeal goes way beyond just content creation. Though these mugs are the ultimate life hack for anyone living in a small space or with a busy lifestyle. If you're in a dorm room with a shared kitchen, this is your new best friend. You can make a whole meal with just a microwave and this one mug. No need to fight for sink space or worry about your roommate's dirty dishes. Same goes for the office. Instead of relying on sad, soggy takeout, you can whip up a hot, satisfying meal right at your desk. And for those late-night study sessions or gaming marathons, forget fumbling around in a dark kitchen. This is efficiency at its finest. It's about making your life easier in small but meaningful ways. It's about upgrading those little moments of self-care, like enjoying a warm bowl of noodles. And it's not just for ramen. Think about steamed vegetables, instant oatmeal where you want to drain excess water, or even washing berries. The built-in strainer is surprisingly versatile. It's one of those products that once you have it, you wonder how you ever lived without it. The design is thoughtful, addressing a real-world inconvenience that millions of us face every day. It takes a mundane task and makes it simple, clean, and even a little bit fun. The evolution of this simple bowl shows how good design can elevate our daily routines. So, if you're a fan of instant noodles, or just someone who appreciates smart, efficient design, you need to check these out. They're more than just a clever gadget. They're a smarter way to eat. It's not just a bowl, it's instant noodles. Optimized. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more cool finds. See you in the next video.